Welcome back to another vlog, and today we have something very special that happened during the Great Plains USBC City Tournament. I started filming Game 2, so you missed out on Game 1. I shot 257, but both me and my friend shot 300 and 800. So check out and see how it happened here. .300 Game 2 with my Purple Hammer Solid Reactive. Game 1 you missed out on, that was a 257, so right now I'm sitting at 557 total pins for 2 games. My buddy Brent also has a chance at 800 here. He's sitting at about 514 for 2. We both do it. How high can I shoot of an 800? That's the question that has yet to be answered. So here we go, Game 3 coming in. Tough break. Yeah, baby. Taped up. Oh, fuck off. What'd you say to that? She said, I think we do lose. So I popped a 247, Brent had 300. I shot 804, Brent shot 814, and we had a huge double set between all 4 of us on them. So here we go, we're taking over the singles portion of the Great Plains USBC. This did not nearly go as well for me. Let's see some of the mistakes and where I can improve during the singles set. After game 1, I shoot 237, which is a very good score, but you can see my ball just becoming a little too sharp when I loft it and when I lay it down and hooks a little bit early. So I'm going to look for a little bit slower of a bowling ball and be able to loft it and get it over that front part of the lane, but not have it be too quick like this 3D offset attack was. So here we go, game 2. I'm going to throw the Bigfoot hybrid, brand new ball to me, newly drilled for me, and hopefully it solves some of my issues. And as always, guys, we are running a massive giveaway where we are giving away a bowling ball every day in December if we get to 90,000 subscribers. But you guys, I'm just going to keep it real. You guys are letting me down a little bit. Right now, we're on pace to get to about 88,000 subscribers. We need to pick up the pace just a little bit so we can get to 90,000 before December 1st. And that way we can get you guys a bowling ball every single day of December and start giving away 30 bowling balls. 31. I don't know my months. Let's get back to the video. I scored just one pin higher, 238, not a bad score, but I'm really chasing a lot higher of a score, so I'm going to change balls again. That Damn Good Verge Pearl looked really good. Just as slow, but a little more continuous in the back end than that Bigfoot hybrid, probably because of the Pearl cover stock versus the hybrid cover stock. So I'm hoping this Damn Good Verge Pearl can fix a little bit of that carry issue that I was having with that Bigfoot hybrid. So let's see game 3, and I guess really game 6 coming into you guys. We'll see how it goes. Well, I shot a 230 the last game, and that brings me to a 705 and a 1509 in the overall total score for my doubles and my single set altogether. And if I was to go back and change anything, I think I would have switched to that Damn Good Verge Pearl or just given that Bigfoot hybrid just a little less time where I was trying to figure it out and trying to make it strike. I think I could have just switched away from it almost just a little bit quicker. So that's what I would have done moving forward. And for you guys moving forward, if you want to see more videos like this one, you can click right up here on this playlist for more bowling tournament vlogs. And if you really enjoy this channel, don't be afraid. Click that subscribe button down below and follow along for more fun videos like this one. Until the next one, peace.